Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone and plan actually support the 5G bands you need, because band mismatch kills throughput. Once done, update firmware and carrier settings to enable modem optimizations, then swap to a 5G-capable SIM if required. Make sure you enable 5G in network settings and immediately move to an open area or higher elevation to get line of sight. Wave and Sub-6 perform very differently, so location matters for initial signal lock. Once you have initial signal, adjust placement and settings to convert that lock into steady speed. You should compare low band for wide coverage versus mid-band for balanced speed and wave for short bursts. Then pick the mode that matches your usage. Make sure to try a window placement or external antenna. A booster helps where signal strength, RSRP, or quality center is poor. Also, reduce background apps and enable smart Wi-Fi, offload when networks are congested to free radio resource. To finish, perform systematic tests. Run speed tests across times and spots while logging RSRP, RSRQ, and SINR so you and your carrier can correlate issues. If speeds remain poor, update APN settings, reset the network stack, or ask your provider to push a SIM profile refresh. These often fix provisioning glitches. Finally, try a different 5G device or a dedicated 5G CPE for home use. If nothing helps, request a local radio survey from the carrier to identify tower or interference problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.